Now we're going to change the background color and choose a font that we had in our menu. We're going to get our website to match the menu. The way that you do this is you go over to your appearance. This is where you're going to be able to edit things. You're going to go to your editor. You want to find your editor. So appearance editor. We want to change the background color because right now the background color is this kind of off-white. So you're going to go to styles, go to the default style, and then you want to edit the default style. So these are the colors that are coming with that. So if you want to change the colors, we want the background to be, let's look over here. Okay, this is the one that we're going to be redoing. This color right here is the background color, and this is the hex number for it. So I'm going to copy the hex number. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go over again. I'm over here where it says colors. This says background, but in order to change these, you got to change them here first. You go over here, say I want this one to be the background color. I'm going to paste that background color in there. So now I have the background color option. So I go back over here, I go to background, and now that's here to choose that. You can't pick a color from scratch here, you have to just choose the ones that you have. So now I have this color, so now my background color is that. Okay, so if I look back over here at my menu, I see that my text color is black. So the text color is black here. So this is set up the way that I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure that I'm saving that. It's my custom palette. Now to change the font, I need to go back over to the front. So you cannot choose fonts that are off of the ones that the theme kind of gives you unless you do a plugin. So let's look over at my plugins. I have the fonts plugin, which is great. It's activated. So we're good. So now I'm going to go over here to fonts plugins. You can see it's in. I'm going to go to customize fonts. So we're looking at the basic settings. Right now, these are just the fonts that came with it. But according to this, I would like this font right here, which is Pacifico. That's going to be the font that I'm going to be using for all of my headings. So I go back over here, go to basic settings. This is my base font. This is my headings font. So for this one, I want this to be, oops, excuse me, Pacifico. Pacifico. Let's see if I can find it. But there we are, Pacifico. So now that's it. So that's going to match. So anytime I do a heading block, it's going to get the right font. And the other font is we'll just make that the regular font for that. But that's how you can go. If you also changed the regular font, your base font, you would do that here. Okay, press publish. And that's how you're going to change your background color and your fonts. If you didn't have the fonts plugin here, if you didn't see it, you go over here to add new plugin, and then you search for it. And the one that we're using is called fonts plugin. There are other ones you can use, but that's the one we're going to use just for this one. Okay, hope that helped.